Hello guys, if you are trying to install Nvidia toolkit or if you are trying to make llama.cpp on your local system in Ubuntu 22.4 and facing this nvcc fatal error where it could be any value like value native is not defined for option GPU architecture and then it is failing to run this command where llama class is equal to 1 and make, then in this video I am going to give you a quick solution because this CUDA or Compute Unified Device Architecture can be really annoying at times. So this class, it's a library in the CUDA and it is used for CUDA basic linear algebra subprogram functions where it provides GPU accelerated version of standard BLAS functions, and BLAS stands for basic linear algebra subprograms. Okay, so I'm not going to go into the detail of it. Let me quickly show you the solution as how you can build it. So let me quickly go there. I'm just going to do a build directory and then I'm going to the build directory, and from there I am going to simply use cmake with llama.cpp. That is done. Okay, so I need to install cmake first quickly. That is fine. Let me quickly install it. Okay, so it is, I'm just going to go with sudo apt install, then maybe. Okay, and then yes, let's wait for it to finish. That is done. Let me run cmake again and it is running. Okay, so that's done, and now let me do the cconfig release. Then it is going to build with the cmake. So let's wait for it to finish. It takes a bit of a time, depends on your system configuration. And you can ignore these warnings, that is fine. It is still progressing. And build target is done. And now when you run that command, it should be fine. And you can see now that command is running fine. There are no errors. So that's it guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. It will work and it will take a bit of a time. So I'll just leave it to build. And you can ignore these warnings too. If you have any questions, if you are still stuck, let me know and I'll be happy to help. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.